Today's day 9 of 10 days of Easter. Today I'm making butterbeer cookies. First I'm going to add 1 box of yellow cake mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Then mix that up until the cookie dough forms. Next scoop out the cookie dough and roll it in powdered sugar and then put it on a lined cookie sheet. Then just repeat the process with the rest of the cookie dough and then bake this at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies come out of the oven, add a Butterbeer Hershey kiss into the center of each cookie. Once the cookies were cool, I added them to an Easter tray and here's an up-close look.